right, shake your butt. I just want to let you know ahead of time also, I am not above you editing the out of me. Headed to St. Louis. Got a photo shoot tomorrow morning. Really excited about that. Should be really fun. Got the new hair popping right now. Don't know if you can see the fit right now, but your girl is so tired of traveling and being cold and uncomfortable. So I bought a pair of traveling pajamas with matching travel shoes. Don't know if you can see my shoes. I'll do a close up. Hold on.
Right here.
We made it to St. Louis. I was so tired by this point, but my photo shoot was the next morning at 8 a.m., so I had to put my hair on rollers before we went to sleep. I used to absolutely hate sleeping on rollers, but you realize that same day curls do not last as long as overnight curls, period. So I had to, for once, not be lazy. I sucked it up and I set my hair the night before. Yay! Not a lazy showgirl for once. About to get in the shower. The room is a mess right now, but I'm in the process of putting it back together. Got my stuff all laid out, ready to go. My shoes. I have not been going to the nail salon as of late because of COVID, so this is what I've been doing, a cheap press-on nail option. So I'm gonna do that. All I have left to do is my makeup and my hair, and I'm gonna put my clothes on. I should be able to get that done in about 45 minutes, and the photographer should be here soon. So makeup is complete. I am about to take my hair down because I just laid my lace back down. Turn on this light. This wig is brand new and I'm absolutely in love with it. It is a Royal Me T-part wig. It's 16 inches and it's 613 in the front and then a 1B in the back. I thought it was really vintage looking and that's why I purchased it, and it so far has not disappointed. We will see as we take out these curls. Ooh, looks like it's holding a good curl so far.
Give us 3 drinks.
3? We got what? So we ended up getting half of our order and half of somebody else's, which did not include the banana nut bread that I ordered for the photographer, who, by the way, was in a car accident before he got to the photo shoot, but he still ended up shooting with me because he's amazing. Good morning. Did he already tell you about the Starbucks? Somebody hit you? Are you okay? Is your car okay? Just want to let you know ahead of time also, I am not above you editing the out of me if you feel like it. I don't need to look like me. If you feel the need to smooth, if you feel the need to...
I'm a fan.
Oh, you are not. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm serving a little bit.
Let me play. Hold that. You love the fun.
I love fixing my stockings on camera. So I just finished shooting with Raymond and it was really fun. What was I gonna say? I completely forgot. Ow, I just broke another nail. I've been breaking nails left and right at this point. Y'all, I can't get over this hair. This hair is like everything for me right now. Anyway, I had a really good time shooting. Ooh, my boots are out. We're home. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed following me along for one of my traveling photo shoots. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as usual, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm Vera Valentinaa, giving you the best in burlesque, beauty, and booty here on YouTube, and I will catch you guys in my next video.